We are introducing the Tenda i36 Wi-Fi 7 ceiling access point. This is a BE5010 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 access point. Comes with 2.5G Ethernet ports, multi-link operation MLO. Access point also supports cloud management, making configuration and installation simple. On the side of the box, you will find the cloud application QR code. On the back, the product specifications and network topology are clearly displayed. Another side of the box includes the model number and a detailed product description. Let's take a look at what is inside the box. The first item you will find is the quick installation guide for fast and easy setup. Next is the access point device itself. You will also find the power adapter and PO injector included in the package. On the front, the access point features a sleek and modern design with the Tenda logo. On the back, you can view the product information label. At the bottom of the device, you will find the two Ethernet ports including a PO port and a 2.5G Ethernet port. The access point is designed with an air ventilation system to ensure stable performance during long-term operation. This is the PO injector, which includes two Ethernet ports and one power connection. And here is the power adapter used to power the PO injector. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on Tenda products.